Hey guys, today we are going to talk about salary. So it's like if you wanted to know other salary, or if you wanted to know some companies, ABC companies salary, or how much they are paying to their employees. So if you wanted to join the company, so if you wanted to calculate the salary, or if you wanted to calculate other salary, something like I had made this video into part 1 and part 2. So part 1 is like if you wanted to search a company's details and company salary details, or let's say if you wanted to search some employee, not employee the name of the employee, but the designation, let's say manager or system admin or technical accountant, whatever his salary with his experience. You can see the average. I will show you on what websites it is available, but you should, if you wanted to know more detail, you should log in to these websites and check. But without login, even you can see the few details. I'll show you on 3 sites which I know is LinkedIn, Glassdoor and Payscale. So let's go through the Glassdoor. And second part, how to calculate Indian salary. So you can calculate your salary or your expected salary, like you can increase 40% for the expected salary, and how much is the take home. The main thing is what's your take home for new salary or new job salary, that you can calculate in the part 2. So now let's share some example system admin salary for TCS. Yeah, so Glassdoor is coming in the first. Let's open the Glassdoor, and you can see Payscale also is there. So you can see the average salary for a system admin in TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. So it's in Indian based, so you can choose the country which you wanted to search, and even you can search the state based and the experience also. But if you wanted to see the experience, you should log in, otherwise it will not show. So this is the average salary, 5,19,000, and how it is divided, everything will be detailed written there. And you can compare this with other companies, same designation with other companies. Let's open IBM. So what IBM is giving, almost the same average salary, but you cannot see this because it's already cache is there. Or either you should log in, or I should delete the cache from the browser, then refresh it, then we can see it. So this is the Payscale based salary from the website payscale.com. You can see 4.3 is the average salary for TCS. Now let's refresh the cache and let me check again. So manager salary for, let's say, Wipro. It will, anyway, Google will show you the average salary. It is almost the same from the Glassdoor, because it is fetching from the Glassdoor, and you cannot see it because, as I told you, it is already, I searched one time, so you should log in next time. Otherwise you should delete the browser cache from the browser memory, and you should refresh it again. See, now we are able to see the salary, average salary for a project manager. It's something like 17 lakhs plus allowances, whatever it is. You can calculate as per your best. See, this is already available in Google, but if you just for for your reference, if you don't know, then it will be useful. That's why. And you can see the full details, like how many reviews, what are the salaries input. This, it's because the employees are directly giving input for that to the website, so you can see the average salaries. And the rating, if you want to rate a company there, you can do that. All these things have been useful in this Glassdoor. And LinkedIn also, it is similar one, and you can add your salary and you can monitor it. So now let's go to the part 2, how to calculate your salary. It will be on next video. Thank you for watching this.